In this lesson, you're going to look at the things you need to know about your master control panel. To start with, let's look at the first bar. We're going to look at the most vital components of your dashboard. So click on reseller to do. This displays a list of tasks you need to take step by step in order to get your store up and running. Make sure you have 60% score here. If you are 60%, you are good to go. Next, let's look at active promotions. This option contains all your promotional offers, domain names that are in promotion, services that are in promotion. So if you want to also have some of your services in promotion, something like this domain extension .estate domain name, if you want it to be in a promotion stage, please click on enroll. That way, when users are checking out or ordering this domain name, they're going to have a discount. It also displays the start date of the promotion and the end date of this promotion, as well as your status. Okay, but I would advise not to venture into them because you're not going to make any profit. I will take you to the top. Inbox, click on it, and this contains all the notifications that are going on or on your site. So if a client account is about to expire, you get notice. So that's self-explanatory. Feedback. If you have feedback from reseller panel, this is where it's going to be displayed. Customize, click on it. Now you can use this feature to customize the look of your dashboard. So click on theme and pick your color, maybe black, like this, and your dashboard is going to change in look. Okay, you have your wallet balance. You can top up your account. You can see your wallet transactions and your profit. So your profit will be displayed here, and you have your reseller ID and your username and email. Let's come down to this part of the screen. From here to here, you have multiple stores. If you have multiple reseller accounts, you can pick that here. But in our case, it's only one account we have. That's why I have only one there. If you want to create a new reseller store, just click on create a new store. You can click here to visit your store, or click here to go to your store's admin area and then customize your store. Next, we have our client statistics. Number of clients this month, active hosting clients, client expiring within the next 30 days, new domains this month, new customers domains, and then domains expiring in the next 30 days. Okay, and then you also have your resale sales. You can track that here. It's sales you've made, the hosting package they pick, the product is a domain name or is a hosting, the username, wholesale, and then retail, and you will keep the difference as what? Profit. Next, let's talk about the store management area, which is just beneath here. Store management from here to here, this box. Okay, so what we're going to do now is go to profits, click on profits, because we have not yet set up our bank methods or payment methods or payout method. So we need a way to connect to this system so that our profits to us. Click on edit payment details. Select your favorite payment method. If you want to receive check And this all applies to USD. And just leave it as check, pick your currency, which is USD, and then release level, the lowest being $50. So when you get to $50, they'll send you $50 check. Click on it and pick the one you want. I'll pick bank transfer, and then I'll enter my bank details. Please make sure you read their instruction. Fill your bank details and then click on save, and you are done setting up your payment method. Please read this notice, and this is for US residents only. All US resellers should submit a W-9 form, okay? W-9 form to show that you are from US. So you can print the form from here, sign it, and then fill the form. But for non-US residents, you submitting SSN, okay? That's your tax ID is required. So that you have to take notice of that. So I'll take you back to down and click on Hepsia branding. Now Hepsia is this like C panel, okay? This is like C panel. So click on it. And you can rebrand your Hepsia interface. So pick your default theme. So pick the one you want. Just click on it, and this one will be selected. Please select the control panel. Scroll down. Pick a layout. And then we are set. If you want to have to edit your store details, you can quickly do it here. Okay. But we already finished the editing of our store. That's the store name, the public name, the currency of our store. Okay. So that one is done. We don't need to do much work there. Let's go to my office, and this is where we set up our hosting packages, our domain names. We're not going to type that again. Go to my clients, and this is where you see all your clients, their invoices, their domain names, their tickets. When you click on it, you see your clients. So I'll click on list clients and wait, and this is my first client. Okay, so this is my demo account that I signed up. Let's say testing. You can see their domain names here. Next up, let's go to billing and stats. This way you see your billing info. Everything about billing is here. Your invoice report, sales report, affiliate report, traffic, and other things. Your profit, your wallet, you can manage your wallet here. Okay. Reseller tools. Please ignore all this. You see this? This is where it's a step-by-step guide from reseller panel on how to promote your store. Alright. In my next 2 videos, I'll be showing you how to do that, how to promote your store. And that's where we're talking about how to get clients. Okay. So they did a good job of like giving us different methods to get traffic. That's what I'm talking about. Traffic methods to increase your sales. Now go to my profile. Under here, you can change your contact details, your payment details. So you can change your bank account details here. Email, passwords, factor authentication can be done here. And then we have support, my reseller tickets. So this, you asking reseller panel a question. This is where you do that. Okay. Clients asking you questions, opening tickets. It's here from the client. Tickets from reseller panel. Okay. So guys, that's almost everything you need to know about your dashboard. Very simple and quick. Okay, so just explore with this dashboard and you get familiar with it. So in my next episode, I'll be showing you how your customers are going to order domain name and web hosting from your newly created hosting website. And after that, I'll take you to their dashboard and show you various areas of their dashboard.